All right, so we have a pretty good adventure. We just found out from the conductor that the train in front of us derailed. Nobody's hurt.
Yes, nobody's hurt.
But we're stuck here for a while in Alaska. So.
They told us it would be at least 30 minutes, and we're like, I don't know.
They also promised us we won't get left behind.
Yeah, our ship won't leave us.
There are ship engineers here on with us, so that we need them on the ship.
Yeah.
All right, hang in there. Hey, so the cruiser's here. This is going to be our beginning to our Skagway video. And we're beginning our day docked next to the Norwegian Jade. Very beautiful ship. Snow-capped mountains behind us. Hey, just hang in there and see what we do today. I'll give you a little hint. We're gonna take a train ride. All right, we are off the ship in Skagway. Oh man, it's beautiful. We're walking up to the pier for an adventure. We're gonna ride the train later, but for now we're planning on going into town. Got hit up. Hey Angel, there's the downtown city shuttle.
I say we get on that shuttle.
All right, let's do that. But when we come back, this is where we'll meet up for our excursions.
If you have the train ride, you're going to go to the yellow vest.
We have a 1 o'clock train ride.
Note to self, don't show up too early.
Yeah. All right. All right, so this is the lovely Carnival Spirit. This has been our ride. We're actually waiting on the city shuttle. Across the way, we have a princess ship. We have the Carnival. Somebody told me that's the Carnival Luminosa. I can't see it, so I can't confirm that. Beautiful snow-capped mountains every which way you look. Very awesome. We're gonna go into town, check out Skagway, and then we have excursions this afternoon. Some of us are taking the train, and some of us, the young adults, are taking a bike, hike, and float excursion. Well, we got tired of waiting on the shuttle, so now we're gonna walk to downtown, which I think is just right there. Like, really. We heard it's a 5-minute walk.
No,
It's a pretty walk.
3 or 4 in there, but one is the black and orange, and the other one's the black, and that's the only way to...
Here are some of the train cars. We'll be up close and personal with those later on.
The air is so clear. The restrooms.
Anybody need to go to the bathroom? There's good bathrooms right there. This is definitely a gift shop.
Well, she broke her glasses.
Kaylee broke her glasses?
I'm going to get some duct tape, put it on her. I have duct tape.
There's like a snow clearing car.
Do not let me pose it for that.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Yeah, you need to pose in front of Sasquatch.
Are you going in the store? You want to get...
We're in the Skagway Trading Company, which is a big gift shop with tons of Skagway and Alaskan branded merchandise. Crew necks, 28 bucks. Ooh, what are Alaska snacks? What makes it an Alaska snack? Isn't everything here an Alaska snack? Wild blueberry tea, blueberry honey. Blueberries obviously are big here. You got wild huckleberry tea. This is the Corrington Ivory Museum.
Civil War, right here in Alaska. It's not a commonly known fact, but
What do you think, Kaylee? Importer of whalebone and oil. So we're in the Klondike Doughboy. We're in Skagway. Gotta get a doughboy. So we're gonna get us a couple of doughboys. Hey, you ever had a doughboy?
My little brother, we called him a doughboy when he was little.
I bet he loved that.
He didn't like it.
He didn't like being called a doughboy?
No.
All right. Hey, you gonna take you a fish home?
I saw smoked salmon right there.
It's a
ready to
smoked
eat.
salmon ready to eat. You can take it home with you.
Put it on the plane.
Put it on the plane, take it back home to Alabama and eat it. They also have shaved ice, but it's 9 o'clock in the morning. None of us are feeling shaved icy. So we're gonna get a doughboy. These are the doughboys. They come out of the fryer. They put cinnamon and sugar on them. It's a big, kind of a big flat donut type thing. This is our doughboy. We're having doughboys from Klondike Doughboy Company. And what's the coffee? Where's the coffee from?
Americano.
I meant, what's the name of this coffee
I
shop?
don't know. Glacial Coffee House?
Glacial Coffee House in Skagway. It looks like a really cool.
Says it was established in 2019.
All right. Very cool. Very cool.
I got the Alaskan butterbeer latte. It's on point, amazing.
On point and amazing. Alaskan butterbeer, what?
Alaskan butterbeer latte.
Butterbeer latte. And what do we get? Americanos? Perfect. Well, let's dig in. Oh, actually, I want to try a bite on camera. All right. Very good.
Yeah.
Cinnamony, sugary, crispy. That is good. I see why people like doughboys. How did you guys like the doughboy?
Good.
I enjoyed it. How about the coffee?
Great.
Hey, Matthews, how was the doughboy and how was the coffee? Doughboy's good. Better than your little brother when you used to call him doughboy? Yep. Crows protected everybody. The sign next door at the Doughboy Company says the crows, these premises protected by crows. The crows are very popular out here. It's very beautiful here. There's a cannabis shop just outside the Klondike Doughboy where we just finished the Doughboy. And I'm drinking coffee from the Glacial Coffee House, which is fantastic. Klondike Doughboy has a sign that says these premises protected by crows. People have been out here feeding the crows and interacting with the crows. They seem to like us. I gotta catch up with my people. Yeah, Skagway's beautiful. Highly recommended. My people are.
We just had our doughboy.
Hey Angie, can you hold this for a minute? There's a sign up on that mountain. I'm trying to zoom in on it. The smoke is blocking it now. Sorry. I have to get that in a minute. It's quite beautiful here though. It's one big street. I think this is Broad Street. And our ship is parked on Broad Street. Well, there's our ship. Speak of the devil. Yeah, there's a sign up there. Kermsey's Curios. Moe's Frontier Bar. Painted on the side of the mountain. Pretty cool. All right. Well, people get tired of me videoing. I better catch up with them. Alaska reminding us just how big they are. The state of Texas inside Alaska. It's tiny. If you ever driven through Texas, you know Texas is gigantic. This is the Alaskan Husky Tails and Curios. and their claim to fame is they have puppy tours. What do you think about
I
that?
think they're $35.
$35 to see the Iditarod puppies.
Sled dog race.
They have a little greeter. Of course, my daughter had to meet him, or her, I'm not sure. What's this one's name, Kaylee? Did you find out?
We have puppies. Oh.
Very sweet. Hi there, baby. You're very pretty. Have beautiful eyes. Yeah. I'm gonna make my way back out, guys. Excuse me. See you, buddy. So that was a cool little place. Little curio gift shop. They also have husky and sled dog puppies. You can meet them, pet them for $35. I didn't do that, but just something you want to do, you can do that here. Take the puppy tour. It's gorgeous here. The crows are always waiting whenever people are eating for a handout. In the smallest liquor store.
Welcome to the smallest liquor store in the biggest state, Skagway, Alaska.
Thank you. And what's your name?
Teresa.
Teresa. Thank you, Teresa.
You're welcome.
This is great. And you guys basically have everything we need.
Yes.
We have locally made
Haynes, Alaska.
vodka. They
Right.
have rum, bourbon, gin.
And today we're going with the Crown. All right, thank you, Teresa.
You're welcome. Happy
you.
vacation. Okay.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch in there.
Yeah, I just bought a little. This is the historic Skagway Inn, and you can get something that I've never heard of here. Reindeer Reubens. I love a Reuben sandwich, but I've never had one made from reindeer. That'd be interesting. We're almost at the end of downtown Skagway. We're going to do a loop-de-loop and go back. And of course, we got distracted by the smallest liquor store in Alaska. And we lost our friends and our daughter. But like I told Angie earlier, if you're lost in Skagway, you're not really lost.
Not really lost. It's a one strip.
It's one street, one way up and one way back. You're not going to get lost. And we're at the turnaround point. So unless they're in the Harley Davidson shop, which is pretty cool, this don't even look like any Harley Davidson shop I've ever seen. Does it to you?
No.
So unless they're in Harley Davidson, which they're probably not, thank you. They've probably moved on to the other side of the street.
I'm gonna go in here for a minute.
Okay, cool. All right, there is a woman hanging her leg out from one of the brothels up ahead, talking to people as you go down the street. The Sitting Sasquatch. Oh, this is a restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, Troy would definitely like that.
No Wi-Fi. Please tell me you're getting that lady behind her leg.
Yeah. She's swinging her legs. Oh, there's restrooms down there, Angie. You need to go. Okay. Somebody's singing. This is a show, Alaska's oldest airy. Hi guys. What time is the show?
10:30, 12:30, and 2:30.
All right, awesome. All right, so You can get popcorn in here, and it is delicious. You can try some. I just tried some. It's amazing. Where are we at? Richter's. We're in Richter's. So Jay Richter, if you see this is your place, buddy, in Skagway. It is the popcorn, Yukon Heath Emporium popcorn. This is part of the train station, the White Pass Yukon route. I think we're going to catch the train actually up near the cruise ship. This is a snow clearing, a snow plow train. Which is pretty cool. Back up a little bit from that. Hard to imagine having to have that, but you can see why they would need that here. And that's where we started. Then we're gonna go get back on the ship and prepare for our excursions. All right. One of the things I noticed about Skagway is they have plenty of public restrooms. And this one I saw when I was coming in. And it looks really cool. It's got like some native words for male and female on it. I'm gonna check it out. Don't worry, I'm not gonna take y'all inside. I actually do have to visit the restroom. But it's kind of cool that they have the words for male and female in a native language on the front. Some really cool art. All right, again, I'll be in there in a minute, Jeff. Don't you take my spot. All right, guys, don't worry. I'm not taking you in there. All right, we are getting on our ride for today. All right.
The inside?
Yeah, I would like the inside. Get the inside. What's up?
Hey.
Hey, Matthews, y'all doing good over there? Ready to ride a train?
Ride a train.
All right.
Rode a plane. Now a train. I get on the automobile.
Planes, trains, and automobiles, and boats. We just need horses and stuff next. We got waterfalls on the right.
There's another one coming up right here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We are going to cross over into Canada for a little
Which will
bit.
turn us around so we can face the opposite direction for our return trip to Skagway. This way, everyone will get to see both sides of the train ride today. You'll have one side going up and the opposite side
We're going to go through
down.
the town, Skagway.
During our trip, I'll be pointing out
A
some
little
of the scenery and sharing with you some of the history of the White Pass Railroad and the
A little
Klondike
bumpy.
Gold Rush, which spurred its construction.
I'm going to get out on one of those platforms here when we're allowed
And
to.
narrator today. Joining me are two more train agents, Rachel and Jeff. You'll be meeting one of them soon if you haven't already.
This is the map.
And get ready
So
for
we're
our
at Skagway. We're starting down at the bottom. We go over to the summit and back. All right. We've got a long way to go.
Rachel, I'm going to be your roving guide today, so I'll be in and out to answer any questions you might have. Wanted to let you know there are waters on the floor at the top of your
Shortly
train
on the
car,
left,
and
you'll
if you
see
need
a
to use
group
the
of
restroom,
large
it's
red
located in the
buildings.
back. Let
These
me
are
know
our
if you need
maintenance shops
anything.
where the
If
mechanical
not,
side
have
of
a
our
great trip.
operation is managed. And it was designated a historic
Gold
site.
Rush Cemetery is on our right,
As we
coming
leave
up.
Skagway behind, the Skagway River will be on our left, which we'll see often on our trip today.
This must be where the buses are.
That's where we're gonna go.
It's like hiking trails. All right, now on the platform now. Now checking it out. older. There's a bear on the left side with herd. He may have moved on. Wow, it's beautiful. Alright, we'll take a little break and go inside and get a different view. Oh, that's cool.
Approximately 80 feet below the tracks. We'll pass by what's
Waterfall. It's the view from the back of our car. They have an excellent product. Very beautiful. Little, we'll take a picture.
I'm staying with this background. Yeah.
We got practically water all over us from the waterfall. Oh wow. We're on the bridge now.
We're going to be going into that tunnel now.
Oh, into the tunnel. We're in a tunnel, in case you can't tell. Ha! Alright. Thank goodness we're not taking that bridge. I see our bridge coming up. About to come up on our next tunnel. Yeah, it'd be great. Should be coming up on the border, they said. Oh, here we go. This is the international border. So we made it. This is the lake, Summit Lake, at the top of the summit.
The border. Also on our right will be the replica cabin used by the NWFP, and immediately afterwards will be the border, marked by the obelisk standing on top of a rocky ledge sharply upwards on the right.
I got a good video of that earlier. The obelisk. Oh, this is the tunnel. Yeah. Going in another tunnel. Steel trellis.
That's the old one.
It ain't looking too good.
The steel cantilever was built during the winter of 1900 to 1901. Workers often endured temperatures as low as -40 degrees and wind speeds as high as 80 miles per hour, all with precious few hours of daylight to work with. Hanging from this bridge on ropes, depending on lanterns to see, they had to rotate in and out of warming huts to stay alive.
Wow.
This bridge is part of the reason White Bass was designated an International Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. It's an honor that we share with other engineering marvels, such as the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, and the Panama Canal.
I felt so bad the whole time. Sorry. You got a picture of it? Hey Keith, that's the bridge from Stand By Me.
Yeah, the bridge from Stand By Me.
Back to the Future.
All right, so we have a pretty good adventure. We just found out from the conductor that the train in front of us derailed. Nobody's hurt.
Yes, nobody's hurt.
We're
There's
stuck
been-
here for a while in Alaska. So,
They told us it would be at least 30 minutes, and we're like, I don't know.
they also promised us we won't get left behind.
Yeah, our ship won't leave us.
There are ship engineers here on with us, so that we need them on the ship.
Yeah.
All right, hang in there.
The very south end of the siding, so it'll be a minute after the train passes us before we actually start moving, because we have to give the train in front of us a little room so that we don't play bumper cars. But we will be moving very shortly. I apologize for the...
We're going to play bumper cars.
But I can't guarantee the safety of
Bumper
any
cars.
passengers that are not on the train now that trains are moving. Snack packs should have been distributed to you. Should you require more snacks of the pack variety, please talk to one of your roaming tour guides who will give you the packs of the snack variety. And that is all I have for you at this time.
All right, so
Thank you for riding the choo-choo.
the train is back on its tracks, and we're going to be going home, going back to our ship soon, hopefully. We got to wave at this train that's about to come by us. They're the ones that derailed. They're back on the tracks and moving. Okay, so this is the train that derailed. They're about to go by us. We got to wave at them. Stop derailing. I would hate to be them. They still got a long way to go. We're only 12 miles from the start. I mean, or the finish, depending on how you look at it.
And jolts when we get started.
We're getting ready to
Please
go.
remember to have 3 points of contact when up and about.
3 points of contact, baby.
All right.
And this is just from the entire team and myself. Thank you guys so much for bearing in there with us. At least you all will have a fantastic story to tell your friends and family when you get home.
All right. How long have we been here? Maybe like an hour?
No, not
Not
even.
quite.
No, it was 3:25 when we
When we stopped?
did our last video, and so it's 4 o'clock. So I mean, they were pretty close when he said 30 minutes. Ye of little faith.
Seems like a long time to be. It felt like a long time because we felt like we were stranded and we didn't know how long it was going to take.
Yeah, but they did really good.
Yep. All right. We're moving on. Finally up to speed now that the thing hits a bump. People like start screaming, hollering. We're all a little nervous after that derailment. Did you ship your pants? Shipped them back home?
I guarantee you your sneakers you won't He was out.
Oh my goodness.
I was sleeping.
Not only did he feel the jerk, he heard all the rest of us go.
Yeah. Oh, slowing down again.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, we're back over there.
Okay, our 2.5 hour train excursion, the White Bass Trail. It's pretty cool, other than the derailment. We got off safely. It's 2.5 hours, should have been, and ended up being like 4.5 hours. So that was quite interesting. Don't recommend that part of it. But other than that, it was a really interesting thing. Now I think we're gonna do a little wandering around in Skagway. All right, y'all ready? Let's hit it. This couple's been doing some cool stuff in the park. We were watching them when we were on the train. Got a neat little park here. People are chilling, relaxing, enjoying some green space. Me and Angie are gonna do that later. Angie, me and you are gonna do this later?
Yeah.
Yeah, just off camera.
There must be
We were just saying that we were about to cross and the train started moving again, so we couldn't go. We were like, that damn train. But at least everybody's safe. We want to go that way, but there's no crossing path that way. The path is right there. We'll get out of here one of these days. We will get away from this train here in a moment. All right. And there's Skagway. And here we go. All right. Let's go get some liquid refreshment. We're gonna try to see if we can go into the Red Onion Saloon. Famous, infamous Red Onion Saloon and brothel. Yep, looks like we are gonna get a seat.
Can I put mine in your bag?
There, you can put it in mine.
Our neighbor from the boat located.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the Red Onion Saloon. This is where we're gonna eat today. Pretty cool. Used to be a bar and brothel. You can do the brothel tour. I don't know that we're gonna have time to do that today. We'll just have to.
Unfortunately not.
We'll just have to come back.
We've been derailed.
We got derailed. Yeah, we got derailed. All right, here we go. And we're heading there. Is this it? All right, good deal. All right, so this is the, I need to get those sunglasses. This is the bar. Again, it used to be a brothel bar. How old is this place? How old is this? When was this place?
1898.
1898. We have bedpans on the wall. That's interesting. Decor. Let's see. We have got our reindeer fart shots. All right, are we ready to cheers them up?
Yep, all right.
Cheers.
Being derailed.
And making it in Skagway. It's time for a reindeer fart, guys. All right, here we go. Cheers. That is like Christmas in your mouth.
That is good.
That was very good.
So,
That was good. All right, I'm gonna get the menu, or Jeff's hands.
well, I'm moving. Move the fart
This is the actual menu itself. It was tasty, wasn't it?
That was.
That was tasty.
It was the Kahlua that was so good to me.
Yeah, the Kahlua and the peppermint schnapps together.
And the Baileys.
We need to remember that. That might be something we might want to make for Christmas.
Yep.
Kahlua, Irish
Kahlua,
cream.
Baileys, and peppermint schnapps.
Yes. Kahlua, Baileys, and peppermint schnapps. Christmas in your mouth.
Irish cream. What is Irish cream?
Baileys.
Baileys.
Kahlua, Baileys, and peppermint schnapps.
Very, very good. Highly recommend. The Devil's Punch Bowl, which is a local brew, wheat, raspberry wheat. What'd you get, Jeff?
Got a light beer with a shot of grapefruit to make like a shandy.
Like that, those German beers at the Victoria Queen Anne's Beer Hall.
I got a local Hammerstone IPA from
Good.
Skagway. Klondike Brewing.
This is good stuff. What'd you get, Denny?
It is the Coastal Agave Paloma.
Oh, it's a Paloma. That sounds good. A coastal Paloma. Sounds like a winner. All right, guys. We're back on the ship, hanging out on our balcony.
Made it safe.
Yeah.
After the train in front of us derailed.
We had
Only
it.
happens.
It hasn't
maybe-
happened in years, apparently.
No, yeah. So but nobody got hurt. It was a small derail, and they came and fixed it right away. So we were delayed about 2 hours.
Actually, they handled it really well.
They
They're really
handled it
nice
great.
about it, and
We actually had fun, to be honest. We made friends with the people that were around us on the train.
I still would recommend the excursion we went on, even
Yeah.
though that happened. It was cool to see the scenery that we saw, and how else would we have seen that?
We would not have seen it. It was
Yeah.
breathtaking. I'll just say that.
It's amazing. The
Went
White
to the-
Pass Trail.
Yeah, went to the Red Onion afterwards.
Definitely agree. You have to do that.
Yeah.
Had a reindeer fart. Now, don't get it mixed up with a duck fart like I did.
So a duck fart, we learned this, is the Alaska shot. But a reindeer fart
The Skagway.
is Skagway
and Red Onion.
Red
invented it.
Onion shot.
And
It's
it
basically
is,
Kahlua, Baileys, and peppermint schnapps.
and they call it, it's like Christmas
It
in
was
your
like
mouth.
$9 a piece.
I will
So,
tell you something. We
it was
talked
good.
about, we might make those at home. We might make
That'd
those.
be a good Christmas shot.
Good Christmas shot. We had a great time with friends. Haven't touched base with our grown kids yet, but they apparently did a very active excursion. So hopefully we'll have a video from them that we can also post.
Yes.
But guys, Skagway.
We're just sitting on our balcony right now. I don't even know what the temperature is, but I'll tell you, it feels
hot.
like about 76.
It's
I
hot.
mean, it's warm. I'm not gonna
I
lie.
switched to shorts today. You know, they say wear layers. I started out in a coat and like a wool hat. I ended up wearing shorts and didn't have my hoodie on for much of the day. Right now I'm burning up.
Yeah.
But Skagway is the bomb. We had a blast today.
I would definitely recommend an excursion in Skagway.
Yeah.
Unless you're, wanting to go to the bar and hang out, which would be very cool.
You can see the town in like an hour or two.
Yeah. But I would recommend doing an excursion.
I recommend the Red Onion. It was great. Now, we didn't get to visit.
Hey, let me give a shout out
Yeah.
to Chastity.
Chastity, the
She
bartender.
was our waitress. She was awesome. She explained everything to us. It was great.
Yeah. What else was I going to say? The Red Onion itself is a great place. You got to go there.
We got our picture made with one of the women. Some of the women dress up in
You could do
brothel-like
the
clothing.
brothel tour. It was an actual brothel. You can do that. We did not do that today.
$20 for 20 minutes. That's what.
Oh,
they
I know
call
what
it.
I want to say. We did not have time because we got derailed.
Yes.
We did not have time to do
The brothel tour.
no, and we didn't have time to do Skagway Brewing Company, which apparently is the bomb.
Apparently
It
it's
has
really
really
good.
good fish and chips and beer.
Yeah. So.
And so whenever we come back, let's do that.
or when y'all come here, check it out.
Check it out. All right, hey, again, we're Southern Cruisers.
Look for our stickers around Skagway because they're everywhere.
If you see one of our Southern Cruisers stickers out in the wild,
Take a picture.
take your picture, tag us on Facebook, preferably. We will send you a prize.
Take care.
All right, we're out. Follow, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Bye, y'all.